Today, we're making Dalgona cookies, a sweet, simple treat made from South Korea. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: sugar, baking soda, a chopstick or a skewer, tablespoon measuring spoons, a cookie cutter, and a pressing stamp. First, add your sugar to the frying pan or ladle and heat it slowly over medium heat. Keep it stirring so it doesn't burn. You'll want a smooth, golden syrup. Once the sugar is melted, add 1/8 of tablespoon baking soda. Watch it bother and turn light caramel in color. Once the mixture has done enough stirring, quickly pour it into parchment paper to form a round cookie shape. Let it cool for a few seconds, then press it flat, and then after pressing it flat, immediately press your cookie cutter on top of it. After it cools down for a few more seconds, remove it from a parchment paper gently. They're very fragile, so be careful. And that's it, you made your very own Dalgona cookie. Have fun! Thank you for watching.